na na na, na na na. This prominence back again. When life treats us so bad, when life make it so sad, and force make it go mad, everything will be alright. Why from my ace to making me feel that I'm a Superman, or right from ace to making plans to meet the polished man. Not even expecting to make me darling. You were the reason when I make this album. Now I'm here to drunk for the dawn, started with the rap, but I'm spending to become. You took bombs and the odds gonna make me feel numb. Now the medication's taking over. But too lot of present shit, yet I never quit. I'm back to my kids, something touches me. I don't belong to this world. Why I see that the border on my shoulder gets heavy, I think about it. Then it makes me rip my buzz out. That's why I be the greatest ever day, but it's not even making the rock distinction, not even having a rock distinction. I think I need more than every strain to beat up the females. I think I got a time for this woman. I'm attracted, been afraid to sell, cause I'm afraid in the swag of this in vain. What shit do a rap in this motherfucking brain get to see? When life takes you so bad, when life make you so sad, and force make you go mad, everything will be alright. When life treats you so bad, when life make you so sad, and force make you go mad, everything will be alright. Na na na, everything will be alright. Don't you cry like a hummingbird, everything will be alright. When life treats you so bad, when life make you so sad, make you go mad, everything will be right. Thanks for watching. I'm still your guy Prominence. See you next time. Bye.